So we have this problem where we keep turning our daily vehicles into our adventure vehicles. So we had to start again with buying new dailies.
Yeah, they're not as outfitted as our usual ones, so
No.
we're making up with that with extra stuff.
So let's go out there and we'll check out what kind of vehicles we have this time. So for this little trip, I decided to take a RAV4. Picked up a new car. So since the Jeep's broke currently, and my truck's, I gotta rebuild the motor in that, and then I'm gonna upgrade that also. Both vehicles getting new axles. Jeep's getting a new rear axle, truck's getting a new rear axle. So I need something to daily and still be able to camp in. So I picked up this beautiful 05 RAV4 that we're gonna take it to Henry's shop. This motor's actually blown up, because, you know, everything I own is just broken, I guess. We're gonna fix it up, and then I'm going to drive it while my other vehicles are getting fixed up.
Man, nice and tight. Oh, wait a second. She ain't going nowhere.
Don't worry here, little Sheila. You're in good hands. You're now in the Toyota Guru's fingers. There it is. There's the spot. That's a good little shirt. They're gonna fix you up, get you rehabilitated, get you back on the road. You'll be able to do sweet little all-wheel drive burnouts in no time. We'll have you at Summer Nats.
So Jesse was jealous that I bought a new piece of crap daily, so he decided to buy himself a piece of crap daily.
No, that's not true at all.
So this is my brand new to me 2003 or 2 Subaru WRX wagon. It's rusty. It had a blown motor. It no longer has a blown motor, but it's a Subaru, so it's gonna blow again. And yeah, winter beater daily, so I can fix the Xterra, because I broke it a lot in Utah. Like a lot.
The company that makes this thing went out of business in like 92. But all the parts are like a bastard child of 90. Like there's Ford tractor drivetrain parts.
So what does it say Wrangler on it then?
It's a Dana front axle.
Oh, it's a Wrangler.
Dude, it's a Dana. Look at this thing. Come here and look at this. It's got a Dana front axle in it. Like, it's kind of beefy.
Well, it looks about as big as the one in the back of the Jeep.
It pretty much is, yeah.
So basically, this is a Wrangler.
Oh, dude, wait.
I mean, if it's got a Dana axle, what happens in the 90s?
It's a sports mower, though. It's rear engine.
Ooh, that's good balance.
It sounds like a Jeep when you fire it up.
It pretty much does. It actually, no, it's a little quieter than a Jeep. Less engine rattle. I mean, it is a nice Japanese Yanmar engine.
Oh, Yanmar.
Oh, yeah.
Is it Yanmar or Yamar?
I have no clue. I call it Yanmar.
The Yamar.
Yeah, it's sweet. Totally got to fix a bunch
Does the
of
electric
stuff.
start work?
Yeah.
Pretty quiet.
Sweet. Fixed it. There you go. Here, wait. You got like a wiper stash going? Mm-hmm. There.
Oh my gosh, it stayed
Sick.
Be advised, car 4 has control of the pursuit.
Man, Jesse, you sure got pulled over a lot, bro.
10-4. Officers are on the scene.
Oh, there's two of them.
Suspect is in custody.
Good morning, guys. So yesterday we picked up Jesse's RAV4, the Ravioli, and everyone's been getting new cars, so I felt a little left out. So I found me a cream of the crop 1999 Toyota 4Runner Limited. and we're off to go get it in the old cheese box. So that's what we're up to today. We're gonna torture ourselves, drive all the way to deep into Kentucky, almost all the way to the Tennessee line.
I know what you're thinking. What the heck is this? That's a Toyota truck with the freaking frame cut off and then a trailer welded to it with trailer axles. It's front wheel drive.
It's a really small engine for a whole lot of little truck. Yeah, it's actually a slow one too. It's out of a 79 Toyota Celica block. And then the rest of it is literally garbage I pulled out of like 10 different trucks I had for pieces. I mean, look at all the spray paint on this stuff. Which was surprised that worked. I don't even know what the heck's that out of. The belt was used. Everything about it is just made of old trash.
So this is gonna be our ride for the next 15 hours. How did I get roped into this?
I told you it was a 6-hour trip, but it would be 18 one way.
Good friends. This is what good friends do.
Actually,
I can't let him travel halfway across the country by himself in this thing.
We always go far in cars and trucks. This will be no different than it is on a trip. Slow moving.
Except for even the Jeeps are more comfortable than this.
Oh my gosh, what's going on with Ohio's roads? I thought they were fixing. Oh, there's a big one.
This thing rides great.
Yeah, it rides awesome. If you had an air ride seat. Like, I'm pinched up against the seat and the steering wheel keep my butt up the seat. Keep me from going to the chiropractor. This is like miles of this road.
This is horrible. My back is like broken right now.
Oh, yes. What are we doing? This is insane. Yeah, this has been like at least 2 or 3 miles of that road.
This is.
Oh,
So only 4 more hours of this?
I can't see the GPS. It's like
I can't see
blurry.
it either.
I think it's about 4 hours. Should probably fix it.
What's your hood made out of? Like plastic?
It looks like it's made of Jello. I think someone sat in the middle and bent the bars down. Yeah, well, they're definitely not known for their crash structure. Okay, we've arrived. We're looking for the 4Runner. Oh, there it is! Look at the little bugger. Check this little thing out. Oh, paint's faded. That's a good sign. It means the frame's usually in good shape. My goodness, this has been a little dirty. That's pretty cool. Usually a faded paint's a good sign. That big dent with the Bondo on it ain't. That's not a good sign. How do you get a dent on the roof? There's only 2 ways to get dents on the roof. Either rolling it over or a tree falls on it. Can't say I'm happy to see that. Also, didn't know about the broken tail light. I'm getting a little nervous. I don't like that one bit.
This is all Bondo. All
It is, isn't it?
All of this is Bondo.
I can feel it.
All the way back.
How far back?
It's at least this whole corner right here.
Oh, that's trash, dude. That's all bent up. Look how far down that is. That's all rotted and dented. That's actually cracked right there. I'll tell you, the
stab
kids'
it.
hides.
You didn't buy it yet. You can't do that.
I drove very far to look at this vehicle, and this was not disclosed to me. That's got to be either a rollover damage or a tree landed on it.
Wow.
We'll just go ahead and leave that there for the next guy.
Well, nothing like driving. It took us 7 hours to get here to find out that this might not be the one that we're after. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to him and see what we can make a decision. So what's your offer gonna be?
It's got a blown engine, and it's got rollover damage or a tree hit it or something. It's a $250 truck. It's got a good frame. It's good for parts, but if I didn't drive all the way out here, I wouldn't even be offering that. I really wish he would have disclosed that. It's a really nice guy too. Maybe he didn't know. I don't know. But it's, I mean, it's kind of hard to miss. I thought it was faded paint in the photos because it obviously has some paint fade. No big deal. You know, it's a 20-year-old vehicle. But that sucks. That really sucks. That's a long ride. And the line on the roof doesn't look right. And I fixed two of these that were rollovers, so I know what it looks like. Maybe the hood opened up and whammed it because it does have a different hood. But this line right here is just that's down a lot, dude. Because that's supposed to be level. Like, see how this is here? This line is supposed to be level. And look at the gap on my finger as it goes up. That's huge. And then it just closes out. See, it just goes away till it's touching. From here to here is pushed down a 1/4 inch. Right here. And they made it up with, let me guess, about a 1/4 inch of Bondo. That is the dangers of going to Craigslist ads. We'll just put that back. Oh, man. I don't know, dude. That's a bummer. That's a real bummer. It is a limited. That's a bummer. We just talked to the owners there. They were very nice, and they did not know the damage was there. They bought it that way, but we figured a hood came up and just crushed the roof at some point. So I talked to them a little bit, gave them an offer, and although they were willing to entertain it, we decided not to buy the 4Runner because it needs too much roof repair. The right way to fix it would be to clip the roof and fix it, and then the engine did indeed rip up a cam because it ran out of oil. So on top of the engine and the roof, it's just too much. Even given the ride, and like you think, oh, I should buy it because I'm here. Never do that to yourself. If it's too much, it's too much. What I did get though was a good day with my boy. So we're gonna jump on Marketplace and see what we can find. Oh, where's this guy find the wheel? I'm about to call him just to find out where he trails.
We are not going home empty-handed.
Well, with vehicles like this at our disposal, we may be. This place is rough.
This is not a good place to find vehicles.
Oh my gosh, we have a bear stuck in there. You and him have a similar experience. Oh yeah, here's another one. It's freaking creamed. It's not that dent.
How much does he want for that?
$1,200.
Jeez.
And the front looks worse. Oh, I'm glad you're here, Jesse, because I think I would have committed suicide.
So we are looking for any type of 4Runner, RAV4, Toyota pickup truck, anything in a price range that's worth buying to take back to PA. We are coming up short, so we're gonna keep searching and we'll keep you updated when we find something. All right, so we got a bite on a Tundra. He's actually on the phone with the guy right now. We don't know where it's at. Hopefully it's close to here, so we'll see.
I found a Tundra that I guess the gas pedal got stuck on and it went backwards into a tree at like 100. Down about an hour and a half from here, more south. So we're gonna go take a look at this Tundra, buy it on the fly, hopefully it works, and hopefully it fits on the trailer, and hopefully the title works, and hopefully Jesse don't kill me, and get it. But you know what? Life's full of adventures.
He is buying me some Dairy Queen though, because now we have 8 more hours of go of driving, and it's already 7 o'clock at night. We ain't getting home until tomorrow morning.
What's tomorrow?
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow's today. I got screwed. I got to spend $500 more, like $200 more in gas to buy a total truck.
All right, 1 minute away to see how awesome this Tundra is in the house.
Oh, that's cool. I mean, so far it's a much nicer neighborhood.
That's true.
It's not
very
behind
true.
a gas station, up against the woods with a dog barking at us.
And a duck.
And a random duck.
And a
This is
random
true.
duck.
Okay, here's the house. He said he'd park it where you can see it.
Is that it right there?
There it is.
Your destination is on the left.
That's a Tundra.
That is definitely the Tundra.
That is definitely a Tundra. It doesn't look too bad.
Ah.
Oh, please be the one. Who's
Well,
that V8?
let's get out and take a look.
Yo, we're having a horrible time. So I never thought of this, and I just found out the hard way. Four-wheel drive trucks down south aren't four-wheel drive. The Tundra was a pre-runner, which means it's two-wheel drive.
Oh.
Well, so we didn't buy it. The guy was super cool. So back to the drawing board. We have to now find another car. I can't believe this. This is horrible.
So now it's going on 9 o'clock. We are 9 hours away from home, and we still have an empty trailer. Why do we do this to ourselves?
You know what though? If we end up empty-handed, we could say we tried. Like we
A
literally
good
gave it
solid
all.
try.
This is a
good solid try. We've been on Marketplace way too much trying to find a vehicle out here, and honestly, we can't find nothing. Nothing
It's
worth
like
taking.
they're just rusty enough to like,
Which is not worth it.
Yeah.
Or they're two-wheel drive.
Or they're
Or the
two-wheel
roof
drive.
is caved in.
or the roof is caved in, or they're just junk.
But my RAV4 is looking pretty good right now.
Yeah, it's looking real good. I think the tree's gonna fall, and I'm gonna take it. Sorry, Jesse, it was mechanically totaled. So everybody walks over to this truck and asks us about it. I think we've had probably, and this is no exaggeration, probably at least 20 people so far that have come up to the truck and are like, what is that? How's it work? And Jesse and I have been explaining it. A lot of people took a lot of pictures, so we're gonna douse this thing up in the team color and make it the ItsDeza official tow rig. One of us is gonna break down eventually.
All right, so we just made it back to where we started this morning, 15 hours ago. We've been on the road for 15 hours. And all we got was
A cone. We did not come back empty-handed. We found a cone. It was a complete bust. Both vehicles didn't work out. We looked and searched, and we found nothing. Complete bust. But not only did we come back with a cone, we had enough time to come up with a plan for another vehicle. So stay tuned for that.